Look at this. I totally missed the pip. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I totally missed the pip. I don't know when that happened. It's when they peck initially at the shell and just make a little hole, but now this little chick is already making a ring. Like it's pecking a ring for it to get out of its shell. We might have a chick hatch today. Oh my word. And I feel like I can hear it chirping too. Okay, of course it's not going to do it while I'm talking, but anyway, I have to go to an appointment, but I'm going to check on this again when we get home. Oh, that's so exciting! I don't see anything happening with this egg just yet, but oh my gosh, it's happening. It's happening. Oh my gosh, you guys, we came back from our appointment and there you see our first backyard chick has hatched. I don't know if it's doing well. It's not walking around. So that's not a good sign, and I don't want to touch it until it's at least dried off. I'm concerned about getting it too, I don't know. I will say, oh, standing up. Yeah. Can you stand up? Are you okay? I think he's just waiting for his buddy to come out, which I can't really see if it's pipped yet. Oh, look. The chick. Hey, he's chirping and everything. Hi, little guy. Or girl. Can't really tell. Hi. You're a leghorn mixed with a blue-legged Wyandotte. How exciting. So exciting. Yeah. Okay, I am going to wait a little bit longer for... Joe, where's your brother or sister egg? Why do you keep pushing them aside? All right, let's go ahead and get you over there to your new habitat. Oops, sorry, did not mean to startle you. I really did not. I apologize. That's okay. You're so little. Yes, you are. I know. So different, right? Look at you. Look at you. Can you say hi to the camera? Say hey there, YouTube. It's me, Joe. Joe is in the house. Are you excited, Joe? You have nothing to say, Joe? You're not sure? Okay, well, Joe, we're gonna put you in here now. Let's give you some water first. Go and take a sip. Can you take a sip? I don't see you getting in there. You're just talking. Okay, well, we'll try that again off camera. It's a little awkward to do it with one hand. Okay. All right, well, so this is Joe's new habitat. And if Joe's brother or sister doesn't hatch within the next 24 hours or so, I'll just go pick up some more chicks, hopefully. I'll find, oh, look at little wings. We'll go find a couple more chicks to add in here so that Joe's not lonely, because we do not want Joe to be lonely. Alright, still no action on this other egg just yet. I may be imagining things, but I keep thinking I see it moving a little bit. Like maybe it's trying to poke its way out of there. Hopefully Joe will have a half-brother or sister. But in the meantime, I have identified some day-old chicks that I'm going to pick up tomorrow evening. So Joe will have some companionship starting Friday evening. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.